What's up, everyone? Zach Friesen here. Today we're here with Kyle. He's finally back on the live streams.
You know how it goes, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
His finals are over, and we are here to talk about some Shiba Inu Coin. And we have launched our Discord. We will, talk about that in just 1 second after, we get some more people in here. But until that happens, where's everyone tuning in from? Let's see. We're from California, obviously. What states? I know we got a lot of diverse viewers on here. Where are y'all tuning in from?
Let us know in the chat. It's always appreciative for you guys to engage with us and communicate, and we can kind of talk to you guys and see what's going on. Somebody said Eugene, Oregon. Cool place. I've never been, but I've seen pictures. Very pretty there. So let's see. We got Les Cap said, "Shut up with clickbait thumbnails, idiot." That was a cool way to spell idiot. I'll give you that. But no.
Oh wow, yeah, that was a very cool way of saying idiot. I like it. That's cool.
That's tough, bro. But here's a ban.
LA, baby. Hey, that's what's up. Kyle kind of likes LA. I don't really like LA too much.
I love LA, bro. California all the way. Let's get it.
I'm more of a beach type of vibe. I know they got Santa Monica. I know they got some beaches, but
Matthew's out here from Central Ohio. We got Renee from Charlotte, North Carolina.
See, we got a diverse audience. They're all over the place.
All over the United States and abroad too. I mean, we've had plenty of people in here who are from different countries and stuff, which is really cool.
Yep.
So very nice.
What I want you to address why Coinbase app shows an insane value for the year charts of Shiba Inu, Clever Finance, balanced token. So the reason that they probably show a ton of or like a massive bounce in price for Shiba Inu coin is because it really has in the past year. I'm pretty sure it's up pretty majorly over the past year.
At least
for Shiba Inu coin. I believe it's in the hundreds of percent ranges. So yeah, just got on here. You think new support is at 30? That is where I have drawn my support. I have it at 30. Obviously, we touched there today. Candlestick didn't really touch there today, but we did touch 30 at one point this morning. We also touched it on that flash crash we had back at the beginning of December. We touched 30. So I'm thinking that's where we're going to find our new support. And yeah, we are kind of just consolidating, like Kyle likes to see. I know Kyle likes to see a lot of consolidation.
I love a good consolidation.
But I like to see a breakout, but we are not on the verge of a breakout. We don't have any major news coming out soon. So I would like to see a bit less of those 5% down days and really just see it be 1 to 2% when we're down. But yeah, the RSI, in terms of RSI, we're sitting at about 42. And then also our MACD is trending up, so everything is kind of looking up towards we're going to stay above that support at the 30, but we'll have to see going forward.
Yeah, waiting for the Santa rally that people keep talking about. I haven't actually heard much about that. Have you heard anything about that?
It's kind of a thing in stocks, mostly stocks that I've heard about. I also know that obviously Bigger Entertainment is going to be doing a burn on the 26th. I know that doesn't have anything to do with what he's talking about, but right after Christmas, I believe a burn event is going to be happening. So that's cool. Will you guys, or have you guys ever done a Crypto 101 video covering the various terms, consolidation, support lines, etc.? No, but I can talk about, Kyle can talk about what consolidation is really quickly. When I say support line, I basically mean, usually you have multiple points of contact, and that's where you're going to meet resistance for people to continue selling. And it's really a trading term, because people use support lines as that's going to be the bottom, like where it stops, and then you kind of just move to the right, and it won't go any further down than 30. For resistance, it's where you've kind of touched multiple times. You can see here we've touched the resistance here at 38.5 3 times, so it's met resistance 3 times, and it's going to take a bit of money to get above this resistance line. And as soon as it goes above this resistance line, gets a few candles above this, traders like to buy in right at that point, because then it normally kind of breaks out a little bit and starts a new bullish trend. But yeah, those are what we're talking about with resistance and support lines. Kyle can kind of talk about what consolidation is.
Right. So with consolidation, typically what you're dealing with, it's similar to the concept of support basically and resistance, where you are trading either tightly between those two lines and you're not really seeing a massive break in either direction in both the obviously downtrend or the uptrend. You're seeing a lot of tight price movement, typically over a long or extended period of time. And it all depends, right? Certain stocks or cryptos can start consolidating for a couple of weeks. Some do it for months, and then some, unfortunately, do it for years. And there's not much that happens. But what is good about consolidation is that you tend to see more stability in the price, right? It gets less volatile over time. And then typically what that does is kind of set up a possible future breakout or a rally that's more likely to happen, because then what you have in the market basically is less sellers, because the market price is overall just less volatile to begin with. And what you're going to have more of then is more just buyers and sellers, or not buyers and sellers, buyers and holders, which is going to be a little bit healthier for the overall price of the coin. Let's see, what else did anybody say?
Also,
today?
I mean, consolidation also comes with a usually lower volume. Actually, it's literally the definition. Basically, the reason that it trades in this tight area, like Kyle was talking about, is because the volume is lower. When the volume is lower, that's why it trades less volatile, like a lot less volatile. Because when there's not as much money, the market cap is high at, like, say, the $18 billion range right now. If you're only trading $1 billion a day, then obviously the big percentages aren't going to swing too much. But if you're trading like $10 billion a day, you can see anywhere from a 30 to 50% gain or loss because of that high volume. So consolidation basically means lower volume, and that way we trade kind of sideways.
Right. And I just saw somebody said there ain't crap going on with these coins for a month. Let's get going to the Colombian booty.
Whoa,
that's crazy. That's hot take. I mean, listen, okay, I mean, there is a criticism in there that I will address, though, about there's nothing going on with these coins. There is stuff going on. I mean, it's not like sizable, crazy Robin Hood, like we're not seeing these types of news events that I think everybody is very familiar with, especially people who are just now learning about Shiba Inu, who, if you have just started investing in Shiba Inu just around October of this year, again, you're going to be very not used to a market that is kind of slowing down, right? That's going to have a lot of lulls as far as the price goes. And again, that's kind of where we're at right now, right? We're slowing down a little bit with growth, and especially in December. December has never really been a good month for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. So again, it's not surprising that we're seeing slow growth in all of these types of projects and these different coins.
What's up, Jason?
What's up, Jason? What's up with the $2 sub fools?
Thank you.
Address that real quick with the super chat. But no. But yeah, that's the whole point, right? Is that news is still coming out. We're still able. I mean, you can just watch our videos. We've been making videos every single day because there is legitimately a new piece of news every single day. And whether it's big or small, again, it's kind of, to me, not as important as the fact that there is news coming out about this coin every single day. It's not like this coin is just dead in the water and there's nothing happening. Like, there is stuff happening with it pretty consistently. It's just the market conditions need to get a little bit better, I think, in order for us to see those higher prices that everybody keeps continuing to expect. That's my take.
Cookie time. If bearish market continues, do you see us adding a zero? I don't think so. That would have to be another like 67% in losses. That would be crazy, a crazy amount in my opinion. I don't think we will add a zero.
There would need
again.
to be something like instant, like the crypto markets would have to start getting regulated. Something crazy would have to be announced.
I mean, regulation is good in my opinion.
News-driven event.
I mean,
it is. Yeah, I think it's good in certain ways, but I think it depends on how it's rolled out.
It means the government is actually taking crypto seriously, in my opinion. So,
I mean, yeah, totally. Well, I mean, even Jerome Powell addressed that, and he said that crypto doesn't pose a significant threat, or was it I'm totally misquoting him here probably, so keep that in mind. But he said something about crypto not posing a significant threat to traditional financial markets or something like that, which it's kind of a weird take when you think about it. I mean, like, that's kind of off the chain, I mean, like I don't know. I wouldn't expect him to say that. I would have thought that crypto, in my mind, would be actually a threat to traditional financial markets, but maybe I'm wrong.
thank you guys so much for coming through. By the way, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like the stream and also comment where you're from right now, where you tuning in from. We are here in California, and obviously I know we have a very diverse group of individuals. So where are you guys tuning in from? I know some people already let us know where they're tuning in from, but let us know. We're trying to get to know the community a bit better. And another way that we are actually trying to get to know the community a bit better is also through our private Discord. Thank you for the subscription. But yeah, super chat. Jason, thanks. Stop what you're doing. Join the dang Patreon. Hey,
wow, that was perfect timing.
It's crazy.
Great.
It's almost like we were have the same brain. But anyways, if you guys don't know, we just launched our Discord, our Patreon. We got about 3 people in there. I know Jason's in there, Cookie Time's in there, and another person is also in there as well. And basically what you're going to be getting with this Discord is joining our private group. You're going to have direct access to Kyle and I, basically 24/7. Obviously, we're not going to be in there 24/7. That is just not possible. But if you ask a question, we will try to answer everyone as much as we can. And then also in the private Discord, we're going to have daily discussions about the latest crypto trends and what's going on with Shiba Inu Coin. So we're going to be telling you guys kind of the latest news on Shiba Inu Coin as it comes out. It takes us a while, an hour to 2 hours to get a video out on the latest stuff that's going on with Shiba Inu Coin.
This will be instant. Like this will be the turnaround time as far as the news coming out is going to be way, way faster. So again, if you guys want to have direct access to us, plus, of course, get access to really up-to-date and fast Shiba Inu news, an aggregate like us. Again, join our Discord. It's $10 a month. First link in the description below. I also posted the link in the chat as well. So hit that, and you guys can get signed up there.
Yep. So Discord's finally here. I know a lot of people were interested in it earlier and asking us. So we made it, and here it is. But yeah.
Also, thank you, Jason, for the $2 super chat. Houston, Texas, the energy capital of the world. Let's go, Houston, Texas. Somebody said Seattle. Very cool. Evening, gents. What's up, Udo, or Udo, if I'm mispronouncing that. I am sorry. I know I've probably butchered your name several times now. I know you're a longtime fan of us, so appreciate your support either way. What is up with Coinbase? What do you mean, Robert? What's going on with Coinbase? Why does the circulating supply
a lot of people have been mentioning Coinbase today, I think. So, I mean, do you want to go over
said that the circulating supply shows 549 trillion again? Oh, that's weird.
That's what it is on CoinMarketCap as well.
Okay, what did you say? You were saying something. I cut you off.
I don't even remember, if I'm going to be honest. Devron from Beaumont, Texas. Awesome. Why does the circulating supply show 949? I'm pretty sure that's what it's shown, at least on Coinbase, for the longest time. Like it still says it said 549 trillion ever since that whole FUD situation with CoinMarketCap happened, and they have not changed it since then. I don't know, did Coinbase have it at 390 trillion again, or
somebody was claiming in the chat that it's at 549 trillion or something, I guess?
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, okay, it is. Okay. Well,
so, but I mean, it was 390, I believe, before CoinMarketCap corrected itself, and then it's been this way since I don't know, early November, I believe it was. Basically, it started off our bear market.
Yeah. What do you guys think about CRO? I honestly think that they're doing a lot as far as their marketing game. And I think they're doing a really, really good job. The Staples Center was a ridiculous good move, in my opinion, as far as good marketing goes. And then just also looking at everything they're doing with influencers and different celebrities and stuff and TV ads. I really think that Crypto.com, I mean, again, the crypto itself, I think does have a lot of potential to do some great things. But again, as the website and the exchange continues to grow and expand and of course just get better and better, I think more and more people are going to likely invest in the coin just because it's got the same name. It's that kind of similarity concept. And then, we could see it do a little bit better as far as price goes. 2022, I think, will be kind of the year that Crypto.com will have a little bit more of a chance to do some impressive things. I think we'll have to kind of see.
Yeah, I agree. So my thoughts on Crypto.com is I think that they spent a bit, and I'm bullish on Crypto.com. I think they spent a bit too much money on marketing. If you guys remember, they did a Super Bowl ad last year. It was pretty crazy. How they had the money to do that already. Now they bought naming rights to the Staples Center. I think that is a very, very good play, especially to get their name out there. That's going to be great for them going forward. But their wallet honestly. They're how you exchange coins on there. It's clean in the UI, but there are just some. It's just not as good as other exchanges, in my opinion. They don't give you a good price on different cryptos. Like, you know, real time. So they have a bit more to work on in terms of like their utility. But their marketing, I really love their marketing. I think they'll continue to do really well. They're working with the UFC now, which I really love. So I think they will have a very bright future, but they should probably ease off the marketing just a tad, and kind of go more into the utility of what they do. But I like it. I like it.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be at hitting the 30 support very soon, it seems like. Agreed. I really want to see if we're going to stay above the support, because I mean, possibly we did trade earlier. If you guys see here, we did trade for a while, right at that 27 to 28 range when we consolidated after the first little pump we experienced in October. So we really did consolidate there for a little bit, so that could be 28 could possibly be the next support, but really I think we will stay above 30 personally. I really do.
Merlin said, Diva Las Vegas, guys, too. You two are making a terrific job. The 100% emoji, keeping up the good work, and please try not to talk down on other coins. Let's keep it professional. I agree with everything you said except for the last part, bro. I appreciate the support and everything that you're saying there in the first part, but again, if there is a cryptocurrency that we don't like or we have negative thoughts about, I'm not gonna like be fake. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. None of us would ever want to sit here and lie, you know, about whatever cryptos that we like or dislike. If we don't like a crypto, we're probably gonna say so. You know what I mean? Like, and two, just because we're critical of maybe Crypto.com in certain areas doesn't mean necessarily that we hate the coin, right? It just means that we're being critical, and it's important to be critical of any project that you're looking at.
Critical with Crypto.com. I basically just mentioned one thing that they don't do right, but I do like it.
Right. No, that's what I'm saying though. But that I mean, that is critical, right? That's like a point of critique. You know,
yeah.
At least you guys explain why you dislike it. Yeah, like exactly that, Matthew. You know, we don't want to just say, oh, stupid coin. You know, like we have reasons. We have reasoning for what we like and what we dislike, of course, and we're going to be very transparent with all of that.
They also might be referring to me talking about like Shib Inu in the past. I mean, because I don't like when cryptos basically just use the Shib name and kind of just try to run with the hype of Shiba Inu Coin, because Shib Inu just passed a $1 billion market cap. That's $1 billion that if a lot of these people are probably Shiba Inu investors, if it was in Shib, we'd have a nice little 10% bump, you know, or even more than that. So it's just things like that where I think people just use the Shiba Inu Coin name and they don't really have any utility. They put out a nice roadmap, but who knows if they're really going to deliver. So, and like Kyle said, we're going to give our thoughts on whatever cryptocurrencies, what we really think about the cryptocurrencies, and just know we've never been paid by any cryptocurrency. There's nothing influencing us. These are our own thoughts, and that's not to say like to be fair, like we don't want to just be crapping on coins though, especially if other people, if you have money in it, obviously you wouldn't want to see that, but we're gonna give our thoughts on a coin if we're asked about it, and then we're gonna give our unfiltered thoughts about it.
100%. Can't keep up with all these animal coins. Yeah, there's like way too many right now. Same with the NFTs too. I feel like the NFT industry is like, it's a dime a dozen at this point. Like there's a million of them. And they all kind of have very similar styling and names and stuff. Also, guys, we have 37 people watching right now. If you guys haven't already, make sure to like the stream. Let's get to 37 likes, guys. If we can get a like from each person that's watching this stream, that would be super, super cool. Again, it's easy to do, right? You hit the like button and you're done. Let's see if we can get this. Oh, we got 38 people watching now. Let's see if we can get to 38 likes, guys, and we can get there. That would be really awesome. So make sure to like the stream.
Check the gear graph of is he talking about Coinbase, I think?
He might be.
Is there something wrong with it?
Jason Dixon, thank you for the 2. Shib was a coin people made fun of me 1 year ago. Yeah, dude, everybody likes to crap on Shiba Inu a lot. You know, just at different kind of points of time, and especially back when the original rally happened somewhere around May, I believe, of 2021, if I'm not mistaken. That was like the first big rally, and then after